wanna say. You're acting like a diva saying you don't wanna pay. It's gotta be your feisty style, raise that crowd. I love it when you look at me that way. Now we're in your order and mojito at the bar. Reapplying it because it came up on the glass. The DJ plays your favorite song, Kanye's on. Now you're beckoning for me to dance. Pulling me close. Close your eyes, close. Telling me we gotta go. Won't you take me home? I wanna ride it, roll alone, ride it, just lose control, ride it, touch my soul, ride it, baby let me feel you, ride it, turn the lights down low, ride it, from head to toe, ride it, touch my soul, ride it, let me feel you. Everything was right until the phone began to ring. She takes it to the corner, that's when I start wondering. I can hear her shouting, banging fist against the door, yelling, yo, it's over, I can't take it anymore. Then I walk away and act all nonchalant and chill. I ain't trying to get her caught up in a mess for real. But she came around and backed me up against the wall. She said, I know you hurt, but I'll make you forget it all.